Hey guys, it's Michael. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite keto meals, which is a lettuce burger. Let's go ahead and get started. For the lettuce burger, you're going to need any meat of your choice. I use a beef patty and American cheese. Next, I use veganese. And finally, Napa cabbage. I already have my pan on the stove, so let's get the olive oil so we can go ahead and cook the burger. Let's turn on the stove. And let's wait for that to heat up a little bit before I drop the burger in the skillet. Okay, now that the skillet is hot, let's go ahead and put the burger in the pan. For seasonings, I like to use salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Get the Himalayan salt. The black pepper. And the garlic powder. I let the patty cook for about 5 minutes or so on each side. And while that's cooking, let's go ahead and cut the Napa cabbage. Alright, I know I called it lettuce at the beginning, but I really use Napa cabbage because this is just a lot more sturdy than typical lettuce. And it's just very simple to use. You just simply take off a leaf. And I cut it in half. Make sure you rinse it well and clean it off before eating. And that's the bun that I use. Okay, now when the burger's done, I usually just add a slice of the cheese on top of the burger and leave it sitting on the skillet so it can just still melt a lot easier than if it were taken off. And I let that sit for about a minute or so to let the cheese melt thoroughly on top of the patty. Now that the burger's done, and I have the burger here on my Napa cabbage, let's go ahead and get the veganese and spread a little bit on one side of the cabbage. Now just get a little bit and spread it across the entire thing. You can use other toppings too for the burger, such as bacon or tomatoes and onions and pickles. But this is just a plain grilled cheeseburger. And there's your keto burger. Let's taste it and see how it is.